gonna have to be your sugar. I want some of your sugar. I want some of your sugar.
Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Rachel Amma, and for this week's video, it's kind of like a day in the life kind of video. You guys seem to enjoy the last one I did, so I thought I'd do another one. This time I have some meetings to go to, so I'm going to take you guys with me. Also gonna make some food and I'll show you what I'm making and have another day. Day in the life of a vegan Rachel. So there should be some recipe inspiration for you guys and just hanging out with me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't have any makeup on, so maybe this is an opportunity to go through a few things I do for makeup. But I think I'll do like the whole makeup, vegan, cruelty-free in a separate episode where it's just focused on that. But today is like, just hang out, day in the life, natural kind of thing. Let's put on some makeup. I'm just gonna move the camera around a bit so you can actually see my makeup. I'm still using the same serum foundations I got from The Ordinary. I freaking love them. They're vegan, cruelty free, and they cost like £5. And they last, like, I've been using these bottles for like well over 8-9 months, £5 each. And I have 3.1 yellow, Y, and 3 Y. This is my summer color. This is my winter color. This is my in-between color. The only thing I do not like is this little nozzle thing. Oh my days, the amount of times I've squeezed it and it's just and I get marks on my wall, like right here, right there is a little squirty accident. So if The Ordinary, if you guys are watching this, could you just change the nozzles? It just looks like squirted poo on my bedsheet. Anyway, this is a Becca primer, which I just put kind of here. Summer color, winter color. Very, very light coverage. Then I add a bit of glow, bit of contour. So I went and put on some mascara and eyeliner. I couldn't do that on camera. It was just all, it was all too much. That just brings back the glow and hydrates my face. Barry M are cruelty free and have a lot of vegan lip liners. That ain't it, kid, that ain't it. I feel like if I wear Fenty's lip balm without a lip liner, my lips disappear. Like the color's just flat on my face because my lips and my skin, I don't know. But I always feel like I need to just do a little line to indicate where my lips are. Then the everyday essential lip balm. Oh, thank you Riri for this. But let's continue with the day. No more time wasting. So we're gonna make some breakfast, right? So I'm just gonna get changed, but I'm not gonna do that on camera. That will be off camera because that is weird. I'm not gonna get changed on camera. No shade to anyone who does, you know, live your best life. To me, getting changed on camera isn't me living my best life.
You'll be my Valentine in the summer.
Oh, look how unfolded all my clothes are. This is so atrocious, but we're doing red today. I've been using this body butter and I absolutely love it. It's finished, but I'm gonna go and top it up. It is all natural, obviously, and it's predominantly shea butter and it's got some really cool ingredients. And it leaves me nice and glowy. Obsessed. You can go back and just fill up the same container, which is dope. I feel like a savoury breakfast. We're going to use the chickpea flour to make a kind of, I don't want to call it an omelette because it's not an omelette, but that's the idea behind it. And I've got some spinach and tomatoes, parsley, coriander, mushrooms, lemon, and that's going to be the base of it all. Chopping up some onion. And also going to cut up some tomatoes. Then I'm going to add in my chickpea flour. Add in some water. And I'm kind of just eyeballing it really, because you want it to be like gloppy. Season with a pinch of salt, black pepper, squeeze in some lemon. So I'm going to set this aside while I cook up my mushrooms. Just going to roughly chop up my mushrooms. Now that they've browned off, I'm just going to take them off the heat. And we're going to add them to the omelette. And we're just going to add our chickpea mixture straight to our pan once the oil has heated up. I've got some parsley and some coriander, and we're just going to chop that up and add it in as well. You need to use a non-stick pan for this, otherwise the chickpea flour will stick. While this is cooking, I'm gonna get some spinach and just wilt that in this pan. Some YOLO one-handed demonstrations as normal, but got some baked beans cooking in there too. This is gonna be a feast, lads. And then I'm gonna add in some pumpkin seeds. And that's my savoury breakfast. Technically a high protein savoury breakfast. Yes. Yes. Okay, so today I am going to meet my publishers in central London to look over the book, like the final check before it goes to press. So I'm going to bring you guys with me because you guys are massively part of this journey. So I want you guys to kind of experience it with me. I'm very nervous, very excited, very anxious, very excited, very nervous. Like, I still pinch myself. I have a book coming out, a cookbook coming out with all my vegan recipes. Like, it's crazy. So we're going to go today, see how it looks, approve everything, and then it is going to get sent to press and then sent to you guys who have pre-ordered the book or are going to buy the book or are going to pre-order the book. Very exciting. It's becoming a reality after all this time. So let's go to central London. I'm bringing you guys with me. Traveling around central London when the weather is like this is actually insane. But back, I feel sticky, it's hot, which is amazing because I want summer to come. And I'm gonna have a shower because I feel London, I feel like filthy. And then I'm gonna come back and make something really hearty, really delicious. You guys know the kind of food I like to make, and hopefully something you guys will enjoy too, and I enjoy. But how crazy was it to see I've had questions from people about, is there a lot of food photography? There is so much food photography in this book. Like, it's 80% food photography. So you've got the pictures as references, and they're really, really delicious recipes. So definitely check it out if you're looking for some new vegan recipes. But for now, I'm gonna go shower, make something for dinner. So we're gonna make a dinner out of what I found in the fridge. We're gonna do like a kind of vegan bolognese. I've got lentils, spaghetti, parsley, some sun-dried tomato paste, tomatoes, onions, garlic, what's left over of the mushrooms that I had this morning, and carrot. And I don't have any celery, but sometimes you don't always have all the ingredients, but that's fine, you can still make a meal. So let's go. I've also got some thyme, and I'm just going to add this in too to saute with the onions and the carrots. I'm going to pop a lid on just to speed up the process of the carrot softening. I'm going to add in some chopped up garlic. So now the lentils have cooked down, it's got this really rich, delicious colour. It's nice. Oh, imagine this with pasta. Wait 5 minutes. So we've got spaghetti and our lentils. I do prefer to actually mix it all in one, but today we're gonna just add it on top. And then I'm going to add on some parsley, salt and pepper, a bit of extra virgin olive oil, and yes! I actually prefer to mix it all together, so that's what I did. And that's the way you're supposed to eat bolognese. Yes, honey. We're about to dive into this. Low-key forgot to end off this video, send it off. I got so caught up with work. It's like pitch black now, it's bedtime, it's 10 o'clock. I just had a bunch of emails and stuff to sort out, and I forgot to end it, and I didn't even share with you how amazing the bolognese was, but it banged. It was delicious. If you guys want the recipes from this week's video, do let me know in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Some of the food, as well as coming down to meet the publishers and seeing what's going on behind the scenes of my book, which is going to be out so soon. Very exciting times, seeing it come to life. Very exciting. But alas, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this vlog style / food and hanging out with me, and don't forget to subscribe because I'm here every week with new videos to share with y'all. Also, I'm going to be in Costa Rica soon, which means I'm going to vlog that, and I think that would be a really sick vlog too. So there's that to look forward to, and obviously with a book coming out, there's so many more events that I'm doing. I've listed a lot of them on my Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram down below. Hopefully like a launch party for the book as well. Like, there's a lot of exciting things that are going to be happening in the lead up to my book, so good times. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.